The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northeastern Clark County, northwestern Madison County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northridge, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Urbana, Northridge, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Brighton, South Vienna, Tremont City, Catawba, Mutual, Buck Creek State Park, Rosedale, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, New Field, Plattsburgh, and Lawrenceville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 74. You are listening to NOAA